welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to color your slime if you don't have food coloring or anything like that. So let's get started. The first thing you'll be needing is your slime dough. So this is my slime. So check it out. Here is my slime. I made it a few minutes ago off camera because this one was made with glue and detergent again. And if Liliana, Junior, or Christine is watching this, I'm not giving you any. Like, I went to my cousin's house like 2 hours ago, straight after school. My brother walked me home. And I went to my cousin's house and she had glue. And I had to like, I don't know. If I had glue, I would. There's the color of my slime now. It's white. I don't know what color it is. It's white, grayish, brown. So put it down, and then get markers. So I'm using these ones. These are from the dollar store through Dollarama. So then what you're gonna want to do is get the color. I'm gonna be choosing this color, this light blue. Whatever color you guys like, and then I'll show you what to do next. You don't have to take the whole thing out and then squeeze it up. There's a bunch of hairs in here. When I have slime, this is how tiny the freaking marker is. Like, I might be here for a while, guys. You know. So I'm gonna bring this to this is pretty good. Because it gives bigger markers. Yeah, you use the bad markers everywhere. And it'll be slime. So, should we do pink? Yeah, let's do pink. We could use red, so I'm going to use this red color. And you just have to dab it on like this. Look at the color, it changed to like bubblegum. Now it's turning bubblegum color. This is the color of the slime. If you add in lots, it'll get darker. So if you want to make this color, add in 8 dabs of marker. Look, there's blood on it. Blood. Just kidding. So yeah. So this is the slime. If you have marker on your hands, it's going to scoop up here because it's going to scoop on your slime. So I wouldn't recommend to have marker on your hand while you're playing with your slime or turn a different color because detergent is like soap for your clothes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. For a chance to win slime. And it's only for people at my school because I can't mail it to her or anything. For a chance to win some slime, wait, guess my favorite color. Comment down below what my favorite color is, and it's only for people at my school, and you'll get a chance to win one of these kind of slimes. Peace out, guys. I love you guys so much, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get 20 subscribers. More subscribers than Jared Plays. More. So yeah, here's my slime. Bye guys. Comment down below my favorite color for a chance to win slime.